first and foremost, I want to thank a software company for sending me a free Amazon gift card. What I got with my free Amazon gift card was a softbox continuous lighting kit, home studio product, portrait and video shoot photography kit. The product list includes two 2-meter light stands. These guys right here. I've got two 33-inch white umbrellas. I've also got two 33-inch black silver umbrellas. I have two single light heads. I have two 135-watt bulbs, which are these guys right here. Nice. I've got one carry bag. I have one 2x3-meter backgrounds. 4 crosses is actually in this guy here. If I open it up some. So that's that. And I also have 3 1.6x3-meter fabric backdrops. A green screen, a black screen, and a white screen. 6 clamps are here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to enjoy my home studio photography kit. I've got some production and videography things I have to finish for Rec Law Clothing, as well as for Escar Rose. And I am also conducting photo shoots. So if you want to schedule one with me, I'll let you know more details about how to do that once we are up and running, getting it set up and going. I'm gonna do a few test shots and check it out, make sure that these are all a go. So thank you again for the Amazon gift card. I really appreciate it. And thank you again for the home photography studio.